Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're tuning into Morris Time Cooking. Thank you very much for stopping by. As seen in the title, we're making some garlic shrimp today. This one is gonna be quick and easy and I guarantee delicious. You can serve this up with whatever side you choose, but it is perfect on its own. So without further delay, forward, let me show you a video with the garlic shrimp the realest way.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So I see you're back and you want to learn how to make this garlic shrimp. You're gonna be blown away by how simple this is. So the first thing I have here is 300 grams of white shrimp, right? I already took the shells off, washed them in some light vinegar water, and then rinse that off so we don't have that overwhelmingness of the vinegar, right? So that's 300 grams of shrimp, nice and clean. Over here now, I have 6 garlic cloves minced finely, right? That's what you need for this. And then now we're gonna hit that with a little bit of garlic butter. And I made a video on that, so check that video out right there. But I guarantee you, this garlic butter, put this on a slice of toast, it's over. This is good, check it out, see? And then now, we have some flat leaf parsley. We're gonna use this now for garnish as well as to enhance the flavor of the shrimp. And a little bit of onion powder, simple things. Black pepper, of course, you have to have some black pepper. And then now we have some salt to taste. And of course a little bit of olive oil to saute our shrimp. And finally, some fresh lemon, just a little bit of that juice. And the thing goes on. Let's get cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna heat up my pan and heat that with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Perfect. You know what? 2 tablespoons, because we're gonna add the butter, so let's not overdo that. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil, heat up to about medium-high thereabout. Grab yourself a plate because we're gonna need this, right? Alright, swirl that oil around your pan. Quick things that make we fix things. We'll grab a tongue, so we're gonna need that. So we're gonna season up our shrimp. Let's push this away from us. Gonna season up our shrimp now. So some fresh ground pepper, and we're using ½ teaspoon here. You can do this while the oil is heating, or you can do this ahead of time. 1 teaspoon of salt. And then finally, a little bit of onion powder, ½ teaspoon. Spice up the thing. And mix it in. This is not the jumbo shrimp, they're very small, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna drop them in real quick just to get a nice little color on them for about 1.5 minutes. Because about 4 minutes and these shrimps will be ready. But before we add the garlic, we don't want to burn it. So about 1.5 minutes just to get some nice sear going on. I like to go in individually. If you dump everything in here, chances are if there's any liquid, it's going to go in the oil and that's going to be a lot of splashing. So to avoid that, you put them in one at a time. And as I said, we just want to get some color on them and then we're going to pop them out. Alright, this is the thing I got off Amazon. It's a splatter screen. And what it does is to prevent the oil from splashing, but at the same time, it doesn't steam whatever you're frying because it has all these holes in it. So if you want to grab yourself one of these, I have a link in the description. Check it out. See? Very good, man. Let's clean up on your stove top. You see me? Alright, turn those over so we get some color on them, not even a minute good. Alright, real quick, we're going to remove these ones that are already sauté. We got a little bit of color on them. They're not fully cooking up. We just wanted to get that nice color on them. Put that to the side. And then now, on medium heat, we're going to go into our garlic. Cook up this garlic for about 1 minute on medium-low heat because you don't want to burn the garlic, right? All of this that you're seeing is just from the shrimp, and that's fine. That's not the garlic that's burnt. Go in it that garlic butter now. As I said, check out the channel for this butter. Ooh-wee. And we're going to go into a squeeze of lemon juice. Nothing too much. While that's going, I'm going to chop some parsley. Toss that parsley in. And then back in shrimp juice and everything. And then keep this on a medium-low heat. 2 minutes and we're good to go. Sprinkle a bit more parsley in there. That same lemon, just a bit of the zest. And there you go. This is already done. And we're just gonna shut that right off, right? Quick and easy. Let me know below if you enjoy short, quick videos like this. You're coming from work, hungry, you can whip up something real quick. You know what I say? And this is delicious. Look at that. Beautiful. All that garlic, the parsley, the fresh lemon. Just a quick thing. So that's why we gave it that sear in the beginning, because it wouldn't get that proper sear in the butter. So we sear it off in the olive oil. And we add it to this and we're good to go. And we'll just get that into our serving bowl. If you have some leftover pasta, you can just toss it right in. Add a little bit of spinach. You know the thing go. And you have dinner, lunch or brunch. So there you have it. How to make your very own garlic shrimp. Quick and easy. You're coming from work, you're tired. As I said, this can be served up with some bread, as well as if you have some leftover pastas, you can have it even by itself, even on a salad. You get where I come from? You have it your way. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, let me know below if I should be doing a little bit of videos like these moving forward. Quick and easy dinners that you can just come in here on the go and you get it and you're gone. See? So once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Oh, and big up on yourself.